The Real Housewives of New Jersey star is not so real anymore after undergoing a nose job and 2 surgeries on her chin in less than 1 year. Jennifer Aydin, 44, revealed on Instagram that she had her chin implant removed, just 7 months after the Real Housewives of New Jersey star went to Turkey to have a nose job and chin implant installed. In an Instagram story shared on January 30th, she posted a video of herself with bandages on her lower face and jaw area. In the caption to the video she wrote, "I had my chin implant taken out today, looking good." On her Instagram story, Jennifer shared a photo of herself after the most recent surgery, looking happier than ever while wearing a surgical cap. She captioned the photo, "Thank you for taking my chin implant out at Tricasser." She followed up the photo with videos that documented her surgical journey. In one of the first videos, dated May 19, 2021, the mother of 5 was wrapped in bandages. Talking to the camera, she said, "Alright, this is video diary day 2. Look at what I look like. So scary, I don't want to FaceTime the kids. Basically, this is not painful. It is just uncomfortable." In a video posted for day 3, dated May 20th, she looked worse. "This is day 3. My eyes are getting swollen. These are my bruises. I still can't breathe. Look at how swollen. I am going to the doctor now to do some treatments to accelerate the healing process. Wish me luck." Day 3. She posted a video later looking better with much less swelling. "My eyes finally feel like they are open. This morning they felt so swollen. The only things I could see was the swelling of my cheeks. I feel like I am feeling better." Related gallery. Stars admitting plastic surgery, open celebrities, before and after pics. In an interview with Bravo this past summer, Jennifer said that she really liked her nose, but was struggling to accept her bigger chin. At the time, she said, "I don't know if I love my chin implant at this point. I thought that it was going to be better. That's always the goal, right? To be better. Nobody ever does plastic surgery thinking that it's not going to go well." Season 12 of RHONJ starts tonight, February 1st at 8 p.m. ET, 7 p.m. Central, on Bravo.